guys, so today I got a new Nerf gun because today was 60 degrees, almost summertime, springtime. So yeah guys, this is the Nerf Ultra 5 right there, and it can shoot up to 120. Holy mozzarella, that's some power. Yeah. Okay, so let's open it up, guys. So yeah, always be careful doing this. I have to tell you again because maybe you didn't watch my other video about my other Nerf gun right there. So you always be careful. Ask your parents or whoever you can get help with. Let me get that there. Okay, let's now open it. Wait. Okay, wait, I need to cut this. Come on, please. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is a cool entrance. Oh my goodness. This is epic. Okay, let me okay. I need, okay, so here are the darts. There's also one right here. Yeah. So I can show you the stuff. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, so that's the inside of it. Ugh. Oh yeah. Holy mozzarella, bro. Look at how cool this is. And that's how you... Wow. This is some high tech, I tell you guys. Okay, so let's open this small bag with the darts. Okay. Then I think these are, what? Wait, let me open up. So yeah, these are the instructions how to put the darts and how to do things and stuff. Yes. Okay. Okay, so let's put the darts in. Okay, wait, there's one here also. How am I supposed to get the... Okay, let me I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Okay, so there's some tape there. Let me go get it real quick. Okay, I got it. Oh, I just dropped it. Ow. Okay, so here it is. Okay, hallelujah. Okay, so yeah, these are the other darts. These are also this. Okay, so these are also bigger darts. Well, it's kind of more smaller than the normal darts that they use. Sorry. So it has this for aerodynamics or whatever they want to do with it. Okay, so how do you even open this up? Okay, so I actually need a manual. Okay, so here's that. Oh, wow. Tell me about it. Okay, so like that. Then like that. Okay. Yes. Oh, here it is. Okay, so like this. Please, just let me. Please, Grandma. Okay. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm kind of having trouble. Okay, so let's just skip the video, guys, because this is gonna take me forever. Guys, I finally got it. I was just doing something wrong. So, ho. Now this is what I call epicness. Right, Mom? That's a word? I mean epic. Yes, epic Nerf guns I meant. Okay, so let's see how fast this shoots. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. that went there by a second. And then you, yeah, do that and that. It's not that hard to do this. You can just, you don't need that much power or strength, I meant. So yeah, this is what the gun looks like. It's a very epic golden there. And then here's, and you can also put an attachment to this, like for doing this or something. I don't really know, to be honest. So yeah, and then some epic, a grill, I think it's what it's called. And here it shows a 5 because it's Ultra 5. Yes. And over here is just, this is white, not golden anymore. And this is very cool. Like, it fits my hand perfectly. I think it's for like big boy hands, cause like look at my finger compared to that. Okay, so here's the trigger. Then that's about it. Okay, wait, let me show you the inside of it. Bazinga. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Then you just push this to when you're reloading. Yes, very cool. You put this all the way here and to here. Like, you need, never mind. Okay, so let's, so that's that right there. Very cool. I don't know why this is here. Let me go read the manual real quick. So I just read the manual and it said this button right here, it's for this in case you can't pull it back, but I can't pull it back because I just reloaded again. So yeah, this button's for in case it's jammed or either I say broken. So you just gotta press this button, try again, doesn't work, press the button, try again, and then voila! Epic, yes. So guys, I'm gonna go show you the box, and if you're wondering the price is $19.87, I think, or 86, I think. I don't really know, but yeah. If you want to buy it, it looks like this. Yeah, just try to find the Ultra 5 or this picture, or I don't know, to be honest. So yeah, it has that. It says 4-dart internal clip, and then yeah, it says this is what the dart is like. For example, powerful speed, and then for the other languages, extreme distance. Of course, it's extreme. There's 120 feet. It can shoot to 120 feet. Jeez. And then there's improved accuracy, so you can shoot it wherever you want to exactly. And then innovative flight tip. I don't really know. I think it's for aerodynamics or something. Okay, so yeah. So and then lightweight foam. So I think the dart is like light, so it's not that hard, you know, I think. Yeah. And then here's Aerofin technology. Don't know. I think that's for this right here. Yes. So guys, since I told you that everything you needed, so if you want it or about the gun, so this is the end of the video. So don't forget to subscribe and like for more Nerf gun or toy reviews. Goodbye. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.